Hello guys and welcome to this video. I explained how to add fonts and other stuff to the Photoshop, but I didn't show you how to make text in a curvy way like here, like an arc. There is two ways to do that. The first one is through the pen tool, which you can draw like this. You click and you drag to make a curve or an arc like this. Then you click with the text tool to write like this. We'll increase the size of the text. We choose the font. And we type like this. For example, I type design. Design for world. I will increase the size like this, and here we are. But for me, I don't like this way. I like the second one, which I will show you right now. We type whatever we want. You select the text tool, then you type. For example, we type new design. We put it right here. I make the text size bigger. For example, I will make it 200 like this. Now to make the text in an arc, I select the whole text like this. Then I click here, which brings this window right here. Then I select the shape from here. You can choose from this list and you can play with the text as much as you want. You can see here we have the bend, horizontal distortion, vertical distortion, etc. And I can play with the text like this until I get the results I want. This way is much better than the first one because it's more practical and you can control every aspect of the process. So I select arc from there, then I can bend it as I want. I can reverse it like this. You can edit the text even more by going like this. You check this box, then you can drag the edges like this. You can edit the text as you want. You select the text, then you go back if you want to edit it even more. You click OK, you click here and you apply the changes. As I said, this way is much more better than the first one I showed you. It's more practical. And it's not just the curvy shape or the arc shape you can do in here. There is so many shapes and looks to choose from. As you see, we have here the shape of a flag, a wave, fish, rise, fisheye, shell, arc, as you see. We have a lot of styles. We have total control over the text. As you see, we have arc, arc lower, arc upper, etc. You select the arc, then you can control it from here. You can bend it like this. It's totally up to you. So we have reached the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.